As always, our pair for next week. Pretty nice GBP CAD. Basically, this GBP CAD, Euro HUF, Euro AUD, GBP AUD. This is the earliest play that am I gonna watch Monday or Tuesday. GBP CAD, weekly bullish, daily bullish, 4 hour have pretty nice higher low. So basically, it happened on the entry happened on Friday. So we missed the entry on this because price didn't came back on here. So what am I gonna wait for is Monday if price gonna give me retest on the 1 hour zone, then give me a bullish. Then am I gonna enter that one, and then stop loss will be kind of like pretty tight right here because I don't think market gonna continue pushing down to swap this liquidity around right here. So yeah, my play is give a retest, give a bullish engulfing, then that might be my entry point. Euro HUF. This is a pretty nice counter trend. We have the price bullish engulfing, price bullish, right? If you counted this one as a zone, this one is if you're gonna count that, that's gonna be bullish. But for me, I like the previous candle having that engulfing because I want to have that weekly week pullback. Daily is bullish. 4 hour is shifting. Structure around this here. So what am I gonna wait for is the same thing, 1 hour engulf retest and then engulfing as well. Euro AUD, same thing as well. This one here, I like the price action bullish. We have this engulfing as well. Basically, our perspective is AUD will be continue dumping next week. Daily bullish now. We have this nice rejection as well. 4 hour have a shift. What am I gonna wait for is um, on the lower time frame, 15 minutes. I need that retest bullish engulfing. Then I'm gonna take that trade. So basically, this one is my number one. So this one might gonna play on Sunday. GBP AUD, same thing again. I'm gonna count this one price bullish for me. Daily is pretty nice as well. Um, I like this one having a kind of rejection here. 4 hour have a shift now. Um, all I need to wait, same thing. On the lower time frame, pre-test and then engulfing. Um, NZD man, this one pretty nice though. Took this trade twice on Friday. So price boom hit my profit. Right here, I have my entry point. We have a shift here on 15 minutes. Right, took a bearish engulfing on the 15, and then suddenly price. I think news. So here's the trick on this. 'Cause what I remember every my birthday, every July 31st. Where is 2025? I remember. See this here, July 28th, price dump, boom, price dump, boom. That's July. Another one, July, yeah, 31, something like July. Every July, JDPY, it kept dumping and dumping. So yeah, took this trade twice, one and two, and then what am I gonna wait for is retest on the zone again. Then one retest, shift abstraction, then continue to trade to the downside. Weekly bearish, weekly price bearish, daily bearish now. Um, just waiting game. Same thing. Euro JPY, pretty nice too as well. weekly bearish, daily bearish, retest in the zone, USD JPY, weekly bearish, daily bearish, retest in the zone, CAD JPY, all JPY, they're all the same thing, but I'm just gonna watch whoever is gonna play so fast. AUD and ZD, price bearish, daily bearish. All I need to wait is kind of the retest, or either breaking again then retest. Must be nice if the price give me like a bullish, and then on the bullish daily week pullback and then continuation. NZD USD, price bullish, daily bullish, waiting on the retest in the zone. AUD JPY, same thing, week bearish, daily bearish, retest in the zone. Euro NZD, weekly week pullback, daily another. Just looking for another higher low of the 4 hour. Euro LPN, same thing again. Counter trade setup, daily bearish, 4 hour bearish. We took this trade, but what am I gonna wait is kind of the another lower high and then lower high. Look for shift and then shift, continuation to go down. CHF JPY, same thing with JPY. USD SEC, daily bearish. All I need is lower high in the daily time frame. USD MXN, same thing again. Daily lower high. USD LPN, same thing again. USD CHF, um, this one I like the price having something like this. If the price um, continue pushing down, because for me, I'm gonna count this one as a price bearish. Daily, daily still bullish. But if the price come to my zone once again and give me a shift of structure, something like this, and this is the 1 hour, and then shift bearish, then am I gonna take that trade? And then targeting the daily support on this area, probably something like 2 RR or 2.5. USD SEC, same thing once again, week bearish, daily bearish, something like retesting the neckline of double top. USD SGD, weekly bearish, daily bearish, something like daily lower high. Um, gold. I like gold. Um, so right now, with gold, we don't have any bias on the weekly. What I can see, we're kind of rejecting here. Daily time frame. So what my expectation is, um, daily or either we're kind of having a consolidation here. Blah blah blah. So what am I expecting? If the price come back here or break here, then we're gonna wait for a reaction. We can't do anything for gold, to be honest. Gold, I don't like the structure, but once again, jumping on the 1 hour time frame. If the price come back here on the, we call it supplier demand. If the price come back here and then give me a shift of structure on the 15 minutes, then bearish engulfing, then am I gonna take that trade? Or if the price breaking this one around here and then pull back and then shift bullish engulfing, then am I gonna continue trading that? Something like that, targeting here. But so far right now on the 4 hour time frame direction, we keep bouncing and bouncing here, bouncing like that. So silver, nothing to as well. Here, consolidation 4 hour, we keep bouncing, we keep having uh, um, we have a strong support here. I like the price. If the price break here, and then all we need to wait is um, something like a pullback, or if the price come back like that, breaking here, then we just need a pullback. So I believe we have a pretty nice news tomorrow, and if this week, next week will be NFP. So I'm not gonna trade gold or silver unless a price give me confirmation next week or anything like good direction, because all we need to wait is if the price something like break like that, all you need to wait is pullback to continuation, or if the price break here, then pullback, um go to the downside, continuation. Nas, I like Nas as well. I'm gonna keep an eye on this one here. We have a daily rejection here, 4 hour to be honest, still bullish, but on the 1 hour time frame, we have a shift, pretty nice shift. So all I need to wait is something like breaking here, breaking that, and then once it got break, I'm gonna wait for pullback, and then continuation to the downside. US 30, same thing as well for Nas. I'm gonna wait like daily rejection, 4 hour. 4 hour is nice too. We're on the lower high. 1 hour time frame give us a entry, but I never take that one. But what we're just gonna see the market confirmation next week. BTC, Bitcoin for sure. This one's gonna dump next week. Yeah, yeah. So far, this is my pair for next week. So hopefully, we're gonna be very conservative next week, because next week for sure we have NFP and probably a lot of news, and for sure Trump relation, Trump is gonna do whatever he want. So we have PMI on Monday. So yeah, PMI, that's pretty nice. That's a good sign. Um, for sure, we're gonna know where's the market's gonna go. For me, for sure, USD will be fundamentally bullish. So probably gold will be bearish. Um, what else? NFP. So yeah, next week for me for sure. Um, USD will be strong, and then all XX USD will be dumping next week. So because JPY bearish, gold and JPY are pretty much are the same move. So yeah, for sure this pair JPY and gold will be down next week. So yeah, hopefully we could catch a pair for next week.